How to log in Crunchyroll account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can launch your preferred browser and search for Crunchyroll. Or if you have the application of Crunchyroll, go ahead and launch it in your device. To log in into your account, it is pretty simple. At the very top in your right hand corner, you will see your profile icon or the user icon. You need to click on it. Then select on the option of Login. To log in into your account, all you need to do is basically add your credential, that is the email address and your password. After that, click on the Login button. In the case of forgotten password, you can click on Forgot Password and enter your email address. You will receive a link to recover it. If you are new to it, tap on Create Account and add your email address and password to associate with the Crunchyroll. Then tap on the Create Account option. This is how you'll be able to log in into your Crunchyroll account. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.